class? Okay. So I told you, for example, if you want to take like one of these headings and then you try to search, you will just search for the notes that you have made actually while reading the first and the second sentences. And that's it. Just you read the first and the second sentences and then you write some notes. And then just when you read, for example, the heading, you will know immediately in which paragraph that, for example, contains the heading. Okay, you will understand immediately. But let's say, for example, you're not able, for example, to find or to write some notes. Let's say, for example, you are not able to write some notes. You can see the file, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So maybe, there are some students actually who are really weak and they don't know, for example, how to write some notes beside the first and the second sentences. And this is also fine. It's okay. If you don't want to use the same or the first or the previous strategy what we stated, you just, for example, have a look at like one or two words. His discovery about magnesium. So I think this word is the most important one. This word, actually, it is the most important one. If you want to say also discovery, that's fine. Okay, let's say, for example, you have no notes and you didn't write. Let's say also you are weak. Try to search for one or two words. Try to search about them, and that's it. So you will just move to the first paragraph here, and then you try to search only in the first and the second sentences, only here. If you want just to make sure, maybe you will go to the last one. So magnesium, is it here? It is not. All right, so I'll move. Paragraph B. Is it here? No, it is not here. So I'll move. Is it here? No, also. So I'll move. Okay. Is it here also? Like, was it first interested in chemistry? Blah, blah, blah. No. I move. شوف كم كثير من الوقت أنت بتتعدى لأنك لو يعني بقيت تبقى من أول سطر إلى الأخير راح تضيع الوقت. Okay, so part E, let's say, for example, here. Gilbert's discovery. So we notice the word discovery. This is number one. Was so important to the modern physics. You read the second one. Here, the word. So actually, it is in part E. This is actually the way if you are not able to write some notes. Okay. But actually, if you are able to write some notes, you will return back to what you wrote here. You just return back to the notes. Okay. So this is actually what I mean. The same is the case, for example, pioneers. Pioneers, actually, this is the most important word. Like pioneers, مؤسسي in early science. You will go from the beginning. Blah, 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 pioneers. So it is here. That's it. This is actually what I mean by headings. So this one actually one of the easy questions, but after you understood the techniques, because maybe if you didn't understand the techniques, you will just start what was about his scientific research method. Okay. And then the students will start reading blah, 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 and then blah, blah, blah. They will waste a lot of time actually, and the answer actually is absolutely not here, not here, not here, from just the first and the second sentence. Okay, it became clear now. You understood?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so let me just give you like one. I want you to do it. Like, for example, questioning traditional astronomy. Let's say, for example, you start from the first paragraph. Is it here? Paragraph
No.
one. Paragraph B?
No, not in B as well.
C?
No, not in C as well.
D?
No.
What about E?
Not in E as well.
What about F?
Yeah, it's an F. Yeah.
So it is an F. Okay, so that's it. So this is actually the class 4 heading. Hopefully you understand.